Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to write up your final referencing using the library's reference builder. And in this particular example, I'm going to use a chapter from an edited book. The book I've chosen is Practical Research with Children, and it was edited by Jess Pryor and Joe van Hervegen. But we will need some more information, for example, the year of publication and the place of publication to be able to reference this book. So if we open the book, somewhere after the title page, we will find the page that contains this information as well. As you can see, this book was published in 2016, and it was published both in the UK and the United States. In this case, actually, I would just say that you should just pick one of the places. And because we're in the UK, I would actually go with Abingdon. Okay, but let's see what makes this book an edited book, because so far it actually looks like just any other regular book. So if you go to the content page, the table of contents, you will see that each and every chapter was written by different authors. Like here, chapter 4 was written by Purser and van Hervegen, or chapter 6 was written by Pryor. Chapter 7 is Gullov and Skreland, etc., etc. So this is this is an edited book, and let's say that you want to reference this chapter. Okay, so what you need to do is go to the library's web page and then click on referencing. If you scroll down, you will see that there are a whole bunch of different types of sources that you can choose from. But right now we need to choose books. And as you can see, there are all sorts of different types of books that you can reference, but here we need chapter from an edited book. Okay, and if you scroll down, here we can actually find the reference builder. Author initials, it says. Well, we need the author of the chapter, and the author of the chapter was actually Jess Pryor, so the initial would be J and the surname would be Pryor. Editor, well, if we take a look at is Jess Pryor and Joe van Hervegen. So it's Joe Pryor, and we can add an editor. And so these are the editors. So the title of the chapter. Let me just go back and have a look at the title of the chapter. The use of semi-structured interviews with young children. Okay. Oops. First page and last page. First page is 109 and the last page is 126. 2026. The title of the book is Practical Research with Children. Year of publication, if I remember correctly, is 2016, first edition. And the place of publication was and the publisher was Routledge. And now that I have filled in all these boxes, up here I've got the actual final reference. You can just highlight this, copy, and then you can just insert it into your Word document. So this was it. I think it's really straightforward. At least I hope it. You will find it very straightforward. All right. Ta.